Hey, this is Miniature Gold. This is a mix-it-up tutorial. This tutorial is on setting up and running giveaways through Mix-it-up. Most recently, I had a giveaway for a game called Berserk Boy. It's a game I just finished. I had a lot of fun with it, so I wanted to share it with my community. I also wanted to see how they respond to it, and it's been a pretty positive experience, so I'll probably do it again. If you find videos like these helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. And if you'd like to talk with me live about Mix-it-up, about Twitch, gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. Okay, so first of all, the version of Mix-it-up I'm on is 1.2.0.9. Okay, now to actually make a giveaway, there's technically like two ways to do this. So if you click on the menu at the top left, go to giveaway. This will set up the initial settings of your giveaway. What we can also do is click on the menu in the top left, click on commands, click on pre-made commands, just type in give, and then you'll see start giveaway. Okay, and so what I can actually do is I can just type in exclamation point start giveaway, Berserk Boy theme. You see confirmation that my giveaway has started. Now we're gonna go back to the giveaway section, and I'm gonna cancel it so we can look at all these events. Now, so over here you see giveaway. That's the command that they have to type in to enter the giveaway. You can change that's like join or something if you want. Over here you have the total time, how long the giveaway will last for. And then you have the reminder, how often it tells your chats or posts a message in chat about the giveaway that you have. And so right now I have it set to remind everybody every 30 minutes. Now, as far as the reminder itself, I'll click on the pencil for start/reminder. And this is the default message that you just have for the reminder. A giveaway has started for $ giveaway item, which would be inside here, or whatever you provide to the command, the start giveaway command. Type $ giveaway command, so that's going to be this right here. In chat in the next $ giveaway time limit, that'll be this right here. To enter. Okay, so that is the start/reminder command. The user joined event or command actually is empty initially, but what I do is I click on the drop down, add a chat message. In that chat message, I say $ user display name has entered the giveaway. So that is going to, when they join, post in chat, say so-and-so has entered the giveaway. So they know, and so that you know that they successfully joined. And when they do join, you're also to see their name in this list. Okay. Something additional that I'm doing is I'm also adding a file read and write action. And the reason why I'm doing that is because initially, this giveaway that I did was supposed to last 48 hours. And this giveaway will not stop you from putting in 2,880 minutes. But if you shut down your bot, then any progress you had with that giveaway will be lost. So I made that mistake and I'm telling you now, so you do not make the same mistake. But what you could do instead is every time someone joins, you can append to a text file, which I call giveaway entries. You can call it giveaway if you want. $ user display name. So that let's say you accidentally forget that you have a giveaway, or you accidentally close Mix-it-up, or Mix-it-up just shuts down for some unforeseeable reason. You'll still have this list of who's in the giveaway. Okay, so that's the first reason why I have this file. A second reason why I have this file is because once it's time for the giveaway, I take all the names that are in this file and I post it in here, so that it'll populate this this wheel, which I'm getting from wheelofnames.com. Now, at this time, Mixitup does have a wheel, but when I asked them about it, they said the wheel was not made to have a lot of different outcomes. So basically, it's not supposed to be used for giveaways. So unfortunately, we can't use the wheel for that purpose. And so that's why I'm using the wheel of names. And so for that reason, the user one event is not going to matter to us because we're using wheel of names. And also, this I believe it doesn't show the winner until the time is up, and so this allows me to get the winner like whenever I want. But if you're hard stuck on a time limit and you want to abide by that, then I understand. Do that. Okay. Now I want to show you how to set up this wheel. So I'm going to go over to wheelsnames.com. And so we're going to go to customize in the top here. Okay. You can change the sound. You can even like give it music, I believe. You used to be able to give it music. Ah, there you go. Yeah, you can give it music. Like I can like make it like this or something. Random 8-bit. What is this? Yeah. Okay. So you can do that, or you can just give it a ticking sound. So I'm gonna go to appearance, and I'm gonna remove the green for the label color. I'll give it like a pink instead, because later on we're going to be adding a chroma key that removes the color green, so we don't want to remove our name label if it's green. We will make the background color a bright green, and that is it. Okay, and so next we'll click on share, continue. Wheel title, we'll call it Berserk Boy Giveaway. Okay, so there's my link. Okay. Next what I'm going to do is I am going to make a source. I already have it here. I'm going to delete it just so I can show you from the beginning. Okay, hit the plus sign. Click on browser source. Type in wheel of names. You can't see my screen, can you? Let me move over here. Can you? Okay. I just want to make sure that that you can see what I can see. Let me pull this down. Okay. So we're actually not going to post the URL in here because I'm going to make a command that you can post the URL into. So for the URL, we're just going to put in we'll put an opening and closing quotes. We'll set this to 1920 by 1080. And okay. And what we also want to do is you want to right click on wheel of names, click on filters. Under effect filters, click on the plus sign, click on chroma key, second from the top, hit OK. It's set to green by default. That's good. Hit OK. And then you don't necessarily want wheel of names to be all the way at the very top. I'm just leaving it there for the convenience of this tutorial. Okay. And next we're going to move over to making the command. Let me open Mixitup. Click on the top left for the menu. Click on commands. Click on custom commands. I've already made the command, so I'm just going to type in wheel. For you, you're probably not going to have it, so you type in new command. Let's see. So the name of the command is set wheel. Make sure you set the permissions to either like just streamer or streamer and moderator. So go advanced, go streamer, and then moderator. You can put like a minor cooldown on it. You can put like 10 seconds on it just in case. In case anybody like runs it back to back. And then click on the drop down. You're gonna add a streaming software action. I set mine to OBS Studio because that's what I use. If you don't use that, set it to something else. For the action, select the web browser source, which is all the way at the bottom. And then for the source name, put Wheel of Names. If you're worried that you'll accidentally put the wrong name, what you can do is click on the name of the source, hit F2, hold Control, press C, go back to mix it up. Hold Control, press A in case anything's already written there. Hold Control, press V to get the exact name as it is in OBS, in case you think you'll make a typo. Okay, and this will be set to visible. And then this will be $arg1 text. And that is the URL that you're supplying to the set wheel command, which will ultimately go to the Wheel of Names browser source. So I'm going to save this. We are not going to run it yet. We're going to make a hide wheel command now. So a new command, hide wheel for the name. And then we'll just type in hide wheel, no spaces for the command. Again, for the permissions, we'll go advanced. We'll set it to streamer and moderator. Okay. Again, cooldown, we'll just say 10 seconds. Okay, action, streaming software, add it. Set this to OBS Studio, set this to the web browser source, put Wheel of Names. And you can really do both or one of two things. Make sure this is set to not visible, but you can also just go 2 quotes. I'll do both. I don't mind doing both. We'll save it. Okay. So those are both our commands for the wheel. So now if I type in !set wheel and the URL, which that is not, let me grab the URL again. Share, continue, copy. Let me minimize this. Okay, set wheel, paste. Okay, so there's our wheel. Now there's a problem, which is you can see everything else on the left there, and that's an easy fix. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mouse. You can't see my mouse right now. Okay, so you can see my mouse now. I'm touching the red node on the left center, holding Alt, pressing and holding click, dragging this over. On the right, I'm doing the same thing. Same thing for the top. And then same thing for the bottom. Okay, so now all you can see is the wheel. And now if I type in !hide wheel, that'll hide it. Let's make sure it comes up again if I try to type it in. Okay, there you go. Now, as far as like making sure the giveaway itself works when you add names, I want to show you that too. So let me show you. So first of all, let me wipe out this list and save it. So I'm going to type in !giveaway. Let's go look at the giveaway section as well to make sure I'm not already there. And I'm not. Okay, so now I will type in !giveaway, hit enter. The giveaway hasn't started. I canceled the giveaway, so let me start the giveaway again. Start giveaway, Berserk Boy, Steam. Okay, giveaway has started. Now I can enter the giveaway. Okay, my name was entered. And if we look at the document, there's my name. Okay. And so after you've populated this, you can go ahead and post this into Wheel of Names and get the shareable URL, set wheel, the URL to show the wheel. And then as far as actually interacting with the wheel, let me show you that as well. Let me hide this. Let's see. So exclamation point set wheel. Okay, there's the wheel. Now, as far as how this will work, let me maximize this. Okay. I'm gonna hide the wheel for a second. Now for this, if I click on interact, this will allow me to get the wheel spinning. So I'll move this over here, click on interact. I'll click on the wheel. Okay, and there you go. And then, yeah, let me just hide the wheel now. Okay. Yeah, so that is pretty much it. That is how you get the giveaway going. One more thing I want to mention also is if you do plan to have a giveaway that spans multiple days, keep in mind that when you start the giveaway again the next day, it'll be basically another giveaway, so people can enter that again. So just want to give you a warning about that. But yeah, that is how to set up or run a giveaway, how to set up the wheel for the giveaway as well, and then how to set it with a command and hide it with a command. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you'd like to talk with me live on Twitch about Mix It Up, Twitch, gaming, life in general, follow me on twitch.tv/MiniatureGold, and thank you for watching. All right, adios.